Hey, good evening. There is a new machine in town which is called Haymaking machine. Basically, it's a small combined harvester kind of machine which collects hay from the ground and make various bundles out of it. As you can see that it's a New Holland 4860S machine which is collecting the hay which is a residual of sugarcane, the dried straws of sugarcane which are being collected by this machine, and they are being made into a bale, various bales of same size with huge volume. Honestly, I tried to pull that bale but I couldn't move it a single inch because it is such heavy and huge bale. Right now it's very much visible to you that it collects every straw from the ground, compresses it through this presser, and then make a huge bale. This bale is later on tied automatically by the rope which is available inside the machine, and then that bale is sent to the ground automatically since the new bale is on the way back. So as you can see, this bale is ready to be laid off, and once it is laid off on the ground, the new bale will emerge. This is a tractor driven machine which has landed in Pakistan. As you can see, yes, that is the bale on the ground now. This is a tractor laden machine which has come from Holland, and it is right now working in Pakistan in India. This tractor is even also an imported tractor. This is not local manufacturing. Rather, this tractor also came with the machine. The machine is quite sophisticated and it has almost 4 wheels. 2 wheels are big while 2 are quite little. So as you can see that this bale is also ready. Once it will be completed, then this bale will be thrown at the ground by the machine. Later on, these bales are collected and are picked up by another tractor. I asked the owner of this machine that what is the use of these bales, and he said that these bales of hay or the residual of sugarcane are used by the boilers. They are also used in the chipboard factories, and they are also used in the burning as a burning material in various factories. So this was all about today's video. I keep on making videos on Pakistani manufacturing, any machines which are being operated and built in Pakistan. So if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. Till then, see you and let's meet in another video. If you have liked the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Till then, enjoy the video, and other bale is going down. Let me show it to you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.